Welcome to Dr. TWL TV.
Make me pretty.
Want to know some Asian beauty secrets? In my upcoming book, I'm going to be sharing about all the beauty hacks you need for a smart skincare regimen. Here's a sneak peek. First up, I teach you how to DIY a clinical grade Medifacial in the comfort of your own home, inspired by K-Beauty's Medifacials. I also teach you how to hack the skin cycling process. That's right, by using relevant plant extracts from Eastern ethnobotany, you can easily replace retinol, retinoids, and chemical peel acids with plant-based derivatives that have equivalent, if not superior, benefits. Discover all this and more in my version of Asian Beauty Secrets.